Hey, hey, it is time to ship. And yes, I have waited till it is almost 100 degrees in my garage. I don't know. I'm a procrastinator. What can I say? Anyway, let's get it done quick and painlessly. Maybe with just a little pain. All right, let's go. Okay, we have a few things to ship out. Thankfully, it is not a major amount since, yes, we are sitting at about 97 degrees in my garage as we speak. So I'm going to get this done quickly. Here, I bought a bunch of these. I won't say it was a bad buy. I have sold all but two of these now. I just didn't get very much for them. He's running at half price, so I sold him for $3.50. But it's okay. You know what? Because I paid less than $1 for him. So we are unfortunately going to have to put him in a box that's a little bit too big because I ran out of my small boxes. I really, really hate when that happens. It's my bad. It's my bad. Nobody to blame but myself. See, that's the thing about being unemployed. Self-employed is that you can't blame anybody but yourself when you don't manage things properly. And you can't fire yourself either. I always wondered about that. Okay, so it's going to go down in this box, which is a little overkill and actually going to cost a little more in shipping than I wanted it to, but it is what it is. Okay, Bunny is safely tucked in. Oops, I want the eBay. Oops, I'm trying not to get my hair in the package. All right. It's still going to go first class. We're still good. Little Benny out the door to his new home. This was actually an emotional purchase for me because I remember having these as a kid. And yes, I'm putting a lot of tape because the tape has not been sticking so good. Right. We want to make sure it stays stuck. There's our bunny. Okay, next I sold another one of these Walt Disney Collector Clubs. I'm not going to take it out of here. It is the Fantasia title scroll. It was also on 50% off. So it sold for $7.49. It is... I always double check. Make sure stuff is safely tucked in, which it is. See, it's got foam in here. This is very well protected. All in there, but I'm still going to bubble wrap once around this. Oops. I'm trying to reuse a little piece of bubble wrap that... that wasn't so good. We're going to go with it. Let's see if this is even going to go all the way on there. Yeah, it is. Okay, we're good. We're good. Like a Christmas present. No, it's not. My bad. Okay. That's what I get. Trying to cheap out. That's what I get. All right. Let's just do it this way. Sometimes I question my own sanity. I try to be a little bit too much of a cheapskate, and it costs me time. I just heard noises that I should not hear out here, because there's nobody out here with me. All right. All right, that's going to go down in this box. Be right back. You can see there's our first layer, and now I'm just going to fill that in. Okay, 2 down. Well, almost. Ah, my tape just ran out. Oh, I hate that because I hate that sound. Okay. Fortunately, yeah. Only need one more. Oh, that's sloppy. Boy, I'm just getting sloppy. Okay, it's okay. It's gonna stick. I found people really don't care what that tape looks like. Okay, let me replace my tape. Be right back. Okay. Ta-da! So next I have this big old plushy guy. Now he does have plastic eyes, so I'm going to give him a little bit of protection, and then he's going to get stuffed in a bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of bunch him like this, and then I am going to put bubble wrap just around this part. Bubble wrap is simply to protect his eyes. Oops, a little too much. And I'm going to make it as tight as I can so it stays on there too. Okay, and now he's getting thrown in a bag. A big bag. Oh, he sold for 40 bucks. I did an offer to Watcher. I had him listed at $59.99, and I made an offer to Watcher for $39.99, and it got accepted. All right. Nice thing about Plush is you can just bend them and do what you need to do and get them in the bag. And boom. And I think I'm actually going to double bag him because these bags are so flimsy. This just assures that if one bag tears, he still gets there. All right, and then I'm going to actually tuck this over so it doesn't get caught in the machinery. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. All right, doggy's ready. And then last but not least, oops, I dropped my notes. This is a piece of cookware that is actually made by, I don't know if you can read that, it is Fiesta. Did you know Fiesta did cookware? Me neither. But there it is, and it sold for, I got an offer of $32. Boom. I will take that $32 offer and send this out the door. One of the main reasons that I love selling a piece like this is because it takes up a lot of room in my inventory storage. So the faster this big stuff sells, the better. I'm going to take the lid out. Lid's going to get wrapped up separately. Set you over here for a second. See the madness to my method? Now I'm going to put it upside down back in here. Okay, and then I'm going to get another piece of bubble wrap around this way to hold it together. And I tend to tear off more bubble wrap than I need because I can always adjust it versus not having a big enough piece. All right, and then I'm going to use Big Bubble on this one. And while it's not breakable, it is bendable, so we don't want it clunked around to where it ends up getting bent and misshapen. This also protects these handles a little better. Boom, boom. All right. Okay, and I have a box that I'm hoping it's going to fit. It could get tricky. Let's see. Ah, yes, and notice I'm having to put it in a little bit sideways, but I have room for peanuts, a little bit on the top, and a little bit on the bottom, which is what I want. So I think I'm going to put some peanuts in and then raise it up a little bit. Okay, so now I've got peanuts in here. So now I'm going to raise this up enough to let peanuts settle underneath of it. Ta-ta-ta. Perfect. So the peanuts are on the bottom. And now I just need to fill in the rest. All right, push those peanuts down and around. See, that looked like I overfilled it, but I actually have to add some more. All right, yep, perfect. Ta-da! All right. And this box is about 16 by 12 by 12, so it is going to end up going probably FedEx because it's oversized. And see why I got to do my tape to tape there. Tape is sticking to the table. Into the box. Okay. You have to go off camera here a little bit. Work my magic. Okay. Oh, this tape is so horrible. This is the worst batch of tape I've ever had. Holy moly, eBay. Come on. All right, but our package is done and is ready to go. And I survived. And it's still just 97. Actually, I think it might be down to 96. Hey, it's getting cool. Not. Okay, I'm out. Go be profitable. Make it fun. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and the little bell notification, because it's going to tell you when I upload the next video. All right, see ya.